Here's how you can check unknown parts in the iPhone. So let me show you exactly where you can find it. If you are first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So of course you open up your settings and then you need to proceed to the general section and then to the about, which is right there at the top. And you can see that I have these two phones side by side, and one of them has the service and parts history menu while the other does not. And the point is that once you have something replaced on the phone, then it should add the menu to this about section. So if you do not have it, it just means that nothing has been replaced on the phone and that all of the parts are original. But you can see that once I had the display replaced on my iPhone 14 Pro, this section shows up and is actually a pretty useful indicator, because not only can I see what exactly has been changed, that it was the whole display, but also I don't see that it has been recognized as an original part. And I know for a fact that it was not like the genuine display. It was just a nice, a very high quality one, but it wasn't just made by Apple. But you can see it right here that it hasn't been officially recognized. So I have had this be replaced. But if I was buying that phone secondhand or on Craigslist or something, then it would be a really interesting place in the menu for me to check out. So especially if you're buying a used device, this might be very useful to go through. So if you have ever done that, just make sure to go through these settings and see if anything has been replaced on the phone. So I hope it makes sense. I just tried to explain it. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the future uploads.